Excel 2 project is about using Excel and the functions, formatting, and formulas. In this section, you're going to be learning how to enter formulas using the keyboard. You're going to be able to use some of these functions to calculate averages, maximums, minimums. You're going to learn how to format Excel spreadsheets and set margins and headers and other items listed in these bullets. Be sure to read the information on this page. Also be sure to read Excel Module 2 pages 1 through 49. You will need to complete all hands-on steps for those pages. And I would also encourage you to look at the PowerPoint and to watch the videos below. If you have any questions once you get started working in Excel, let me know, and I will be glad to help you.